Hey guys, here we are today on Rodeo Drive at Peter Marco's.
Hello everyone.
So we decided to do something a little bit different. We talked about a giveaway. Well, it's time to do that giveaway. No longer going to be a GoPro. You can get your own GoPro. Peter and I kind of stepped it up, and we're going to give you guys something really, really nice. Peter, why don't you tell us about what we're going to give away?
We are going to give away an exceptional black diamond bracelet consisting of 31 black diamond beads with a total weight of 35 carats with a beautiful 18 karat gold, yellow gold clasp.
Let's see it.
It's beautiful.
Can't wait. Wow. Look at that sparkle.
They're black diamond beads, again all over 1 carat. There's 31 stones. Great accessory for any man's wardrobe. Up against the watch, solo.
But seriously though, look at that, look at that. Put that next to the watch.
Just done beautifully.
That is absolutely spectacular. Wow.
They're very lively, they're full of life, consistent in color, very important.
So these are all over a carat each?
Yes, black diamond beads.
That's incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Beautiful. So, in order to be eligible to win this, all you need to do is go to producermichael.com and follow the simple instructions, and we'll be announcing the winner in April. So one of you guys is going to be the lucky winner of this amazing black diamond bracelet. And many of you may have seen, I bought myself a black diamond bracelet from Peter about 2-3 months ago. And when I wear that, I get so many compliments on it. It's just gorgeous. So here we go, guys. See if you can win it.
Out of interest, what's the retail value on that?
This retails for $10,000.
Wow.
So there you are. We wish you the very best of luck. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell notification. And good luck with the entry into the Black Diamond giveaway.